Vietnam is a country known for its diverse and unpredictable weather patterns. From extreme heat and humidity to heavy rainfall and strong winds, there are a variety of weather conditions that can pose a danger to the people of Vietnam. However, the most dangerous kind of weather in Vietnam is undoubtedly typhoons. Typhoons, also known as hurricanes or cyclones in other parts of the world, are tropical storms that can wreak havoc on the coastal regions of Vietnam. These storms are characterized by strong winds, heavy rainfall, and storm surges, which can lead to widespread devastation and loss of life. The frequency of typhoons in Vietnam makes them the most dangerous kind of weather in the country. On average, Vietnam experiences between 6 to 10 typhoons each year, with the central and northern regions being the most vulnerable to these powerful storms. The peak typhoon season in Vietnam typically occurs from July to November, with the months of September and October being the most active and destructive. One of the most devastating typhoons to hit Vietnam in recent history was Typhoon Haiyan in 2013. The storm caused widespread destruction and claimed the lives of over 600 people in Vietnam. The intense winds and heavy rainfall caused flooding, landslides, and infrastructure damage, leaving thousands homeless and in need of assistance. The impact of typhoons in Vietnam extends beyond the immediate destruction caused by the storm itself. The heavy rainfall and storm surges can lead to severe flooding, which can contaminate water sources and lead to an increased risk of waterborne diseases. In addition, the destruction of infrastructure such as homes, roads, and bridges can disrupt access to essential services and hinder recovery efforts. In response to the threat of typhoons, the government of Vietnam has implemented various measures to mitigate the impact of these storms. These measures include early warning systems, preemptive evacuations, and the construction of storm shelters and flood barriers. However, the unpredictable nature of typhoons means that there will always be a risk of widespread devastation and loss of life. In conclusion, typhoons are the most dangerous kind of weather in Vietnam. Their destructive power and frequency make them a significant threat to the people of Vietnam, particularly those living in the coastal regions. While efforts have been made to improve preparedness and response to typhoons, the impact of these storms continues to pose a significant risk to the safety and well-being of the Vietnamese population.